Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with Eudialyte, the stone of strong heart. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll have a link in the description below and in the eye above. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice using crystal wisdom in your daily life to initiate transformation and to improve your daily life. Today, we're going to learn how you can do that with Eudialyte. This is an uncommon stone. It's one that I have been in love with for at least a decade. It's a beautiful, unusual stone. I highly recommend you get a piece and try working with it. It's really phenomenal. I've heard this gemstone pronounced Eudialyte, Eudialyte, or even Eudialyte, but the most common pronunciation for it is Eudialyte. Now, this is the stone of strong heart. Much like rhodonite, that is also black and pink, it helps you feel grounded, safe, and secure in matters of the heart. The first benefit of working with Eudialyte is that this is a stone of protection. It protects both the spirit and the heart. Psychically, this gemstone protects your energy from ill intentions of others, unwanted spirits, psychic attacks, energies that are intended to negatively influence your energy. If you're feeling some heavy or negative energy in your environment, at home, work, a place that you visit on a regular basis, having Eudialyte with you will help to protect you from those negative energies. It also protects your heart. If you are recovering from a relationship that didn't end well, if you have been hurt by someone else, this gemstone helps you to carefully open up your heart to others. This is not the same as building a wall around your heart. This helps you to be mindful and cautious as you pursue new friendships or romantic relationships with others. The second benefit of working with Eudialyte is that it eases negative emotions. This is a gemstone that helps to reduce those emotions like bitterness, jealousy, anger in relationships. It brings you back to your heart center. Even if you are frustrated with someone, you're having arguments and disagreements, this gemstone reminds you to still approach the situation and the person with compassion and logic so that you can try to resolve the relationship to come to a state of harmony rather than breaking or ruining the relationship. This gemstone helps to ease the harsh and difficult emotions after a breakup. You could be feeling overwhelmed with emotion. Eudialyte provides you with a sense of security, safety, and this warm, gentle blanket to hold you when your heart is hurting. The third benefit of working with Eudialyte is that it helps you build trust. You may have been hurt or betrayed by someone, and it will take some time to be able to trust that person again. Eudialyte helps you to remember what you loved about that person and to help you start to build that bridge of trust again. If you have broken trust with someone, this gemstone helps you do the things that you need to do to help rebuild that bridge of trust between you and the other person. Also, some relationships, as difficult as they may be, are pretty much permanent in this lifetime, like your family relationships. You may be having a difficult time with someone and it's hard to trust them, but they will be your family forever. So you need to be able to develop some kind of balanced relationship with them and bring in some trust. Eudialyte can help you be mindful and cautious as you relate to that person, but also be able to grant them a little bit of trust to start to rebuild and heal that relationship. This gemstone also helps to guide you to trustworthy friendships and relationships. It supports you when you meet new people to be able to tap into your intuition, your gut feelings, to determine if this person is worthy of your trust and friendship, or if red flags raise up and you need to be wary about your interactions with this person. This is a gemstone that really helps those intuitive feelings. And the fourth benefit of working with Eudialyte is that it helps you to examine soulmate relationships. This is a gemstone that helps you find your soulmate. It helps in the way that it enables you to determine what qualities you are looking for in a solid, healthy relationship. To know what you need from a soulmate partner and what you don't. It helps you recognize red flags that arise in a person that you're thinking about starting a relationship with and honoring those intuitive feelings. If the red flags come up, then you take some time to consider if this person really is worth a deeper relationship with. It also helps you recognize a solid, loyal, loving, passionate partner when you encounter them, because sometimes the right person is right under our nose and we don't even see them because we're looking for something else. Eudialyte helps you recognize that your soulmate relationship is already here, and all you need to do is open up and accept the relationship. Eudialyte is a gemstone that really helps support healing and strengthening the heart, of helping you recover from emotional wounds and to guide you into a safe, healthy, supportive relationship in the future. Thank you so much for joining me to talk about this wonderful and uncommon, beautiful stone, Eudialyte. If you do feel like that maybe this is a gemstone you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation designed specifically with Eudialyte. You do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the meditation, but if anything I talked about in this video or anything I bring up in the guided meditation, they call to you, they feel really familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, and that's a sign you should get some Eudialyte and work with it some more. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you've been watching my videos, you enjoy them, and you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. If you're new to the channel and you really want to explore how a vast variety of gemstones can help improve your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.